When I chanced upon Salone Ceylon Sri Lankan restaurant near the airport in Bengaluru, I was pleasantly surprised with some of the dishes I tasted, and a prime specimen of that was this yellow cashew curry. Bright and flavorful, served on a soft hopper with accompaniments.
I'm quite eager to try the prawn curry, but I think before the prawn curry, I want to get a taste of this tender cashew yellow curry that is served to us with some eggplant and the pol sambal. Break the hopper and get myself a scoop of that cashew, that tender cashew and peas. I love that. Very mellow in its flavors. I also like the manner in which that cashew quite readily gives into the fold of that hopper. So the hopper is nothing but the appam. So in Sri Lanka, it's referred to as the hopper. So this is basically not tender cashew, but this is cashew that has been soaked in water. So therefore, this is not the young cashew. Very comforting sort of a curry. What I'm eager to taste is that aubergine. Very deep in its flavors. Also a hint of sweetness there. There's a certain smoky character to that aubergine there. So the cashew is quite gentle, quite mellow. But this aubergine certainly has depth of flavor. And also because it's got the caramelized onions in that, I think the sweetness comes from the onions. If you're a vegetarian, this dish is what you should be trying here. The cashew, the eggplant, and now for a bit of that sambal, the pol sambal. A bit of the spice that I'm now tasting in that sambal. The heat that comes from the red chilies. I also like the presentation of this particular dish with some of the microgreens.